In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear wheel in case you have to take it into the bike shop to get a tire fixed or something, or maybe you're putting a new tire on. For whatever reason, you got to remove the wheel. Maybe the bearings in the rear wheels, but I would say the odds of the bearing going out on a rear wheel on this bicycle is as close to zero as you can possibly get. It's just not likely to happen. We've had this bicycle. This is probably one of the first ones they made a long time ago, and it's been around here a long time. We've abused this thing like you wouldn't believe. I even sewed some fringe on it. I like that, so does my wife. Now the other thing is we replaced the axle. Again, that was abuse. Now there's bearings in the axle. They were in good shape, so I ended up with new bearings for the axle too, but they wouldn't have needed replacing. So this is a real durable bike. If you don't have one of these, get one. If you do have one of them, you already know how good it is. So let me show you how to remove the wheel. There is a little bit of a trick. It's nice if you remove the fender. It's a little clumsy to get these little nuts and bolts off. I already did loosen them up. There. So now the fender's off. That's step one in getting the fender off. Is step one in getting the wheel off the axle. In step two, I'm going to give you a don't. Whatever you do, don't take out this key that locks the hub. If you have the older model, the key is what locks the hub. The newer one is also, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a weld right here. So this one is, the hub has got a weld on it and a key, a set screw. Don't remove that. You got to take the wheel off of the hub and leave the hub on the axle. And on the inside, can you see this? I don't know, I'm putting a little 7/16 wrench on the inside. And then I'm going to proceed to get that screw out of there. There, that's one of them. Now another one. One more, the third one coming off now. There, I removed all three of these bolts, disconnecting the wheel from the hub. Now I'm going to remove this snap ring here. There, that thing, snap ring. And the wheel will slide right off. There, wheel's off. This is a bearing in the wheel. As I said earlier, they ain't never going to go bad. This is your hub. Don't remove this hub. And now you can have fix a tire, put on a new tire, whatever. And then slide the wheel back on. Put the key on. And put all those bolts back in the wheel. the wheel on, put the bolts in, put the fender on, and you're done. This is a nice bike.